Hi, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So since iOS, I think it's 17, the widget have more functionality and can appear in a lot of different places. So let me show you. The reason that I'm making this video is I want to show you that don't forget that your widget can appear in these places. So do make the design better. Okay, right now, since I'm not like specify a specific widget, so at the iPad Pro 13 inches like M4, it can sort of have a medium size, like a wide medium sized widget here. It's really similar to the phone like here, but it's not like a really small one. Okay, and yeah, so this is like a different size difference, of course. You may already know that. But what about this? Okay, things I think iOS 17 Apple introduced standby mode. So if you I believe you got the feature and show standby, okay, you guys can see that the phone just entered a standby mode. So when you say like charging, or maybe like rotate the phone and put it on somewhere that got like ample power supply, and got mode like this. And then of course you can change the mode. Okay, if you click this, and you can add, you can even delete. Right, so for example, if I want, change here and change to my widget, of course you can do that as well. So I'm going to click this and down, voila, we got our own customized widget in standby mode. So you can actually do that, but it looks kind of horrible because if it's in the standby mode, they kind of change the color a little bit. So you have to make sure that your color looks great, or your design are fully like prepared for this. So it should give you like a pinkish color, but right now since standby mode, you don't want your phone like flash in the pink. You may need to change the style. And what's more, you can do something even more interesting. Okay, let me show you. So for example, you got like a normal widget on your iPad, right? And iPad can also like enter into the standby mode. So can I just switch standby mode? Yeah, I can't. So I have to manually do that. So this is a simulator. At this here, you got a small button. I believe you can click this like boom, and click this again, and hold it here, and you can customize it. Okay, and then we can home screen or lock screen. What about lock screen? I want you just give you guys like because widget, the reason for widget to exist is to quickly give user the like quick data feed, something like that. So click and add widget in a landscape and portrait. Of course you can do that, and we can add widget here. Okay, that's brilliant. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to search for widget test. Okay, and you can tap or drag to add widget. You can just tap and the widget is here, or you can just drag it here. Right now it's already added, but still it looks horrible, right? Because you got like a transparent like this guy. Okay, this is sort of transparent. Okay, let me just click down so you guys can see this. You just got this guy, and September is nearly invisible, the Sunday invisible, and 15, yeah, we kind of see it, but the color completely changed because at this mode it kind of just completely make it semi-transparent. So you have to think about this when you design as well. Okay, so this is just some like friendly reminder, and if you're like really into this customization, maybe please leave in the comments and just tell me which kind of direction that you want this series to go to, and I will make videos like catering you guys needs. Okay, thanks, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, just a kind of feedback to tell me that you love this content, so I will update more and more frequently. So if there's nobody giving me like any feedback, I will just focus on another subject, because I still didn't make any money by making all these videos, so I have to find a correct niche for this channel. So yeah, thanks.